Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your emergency address in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. Here it opens up in the explore page where we have some suggestions, some offers. But from here we have to go into profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on personal information, and here as the fifth option we find emergency contact. Here we can just tap on this and proceed by tapping on add now, and here we can add the details of the emergency contact that we added, like the name, the relationship with the said person, the email address, and etc. And then we could just tap on save to save the emergency contact. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.